I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe Tokidoki unboxing. I'm super excited because today we are unboxing the brand new Tokidoki, and this is just a super fun print for summer. This print is releasing on July 9th, so stay tuned. I will be also sharing a review and packing video for one of the bags in my bag. So originally I asked them for 4 styles to share with you guys, but they are super limited on what they are sending out as samples for influencers and YouTubers. So I got 2 to share with you guys today, and I am excited because I love these 2 styles. And because they are limited on what they can send out, I feel like this is probably going to be a more limited collection than what they normally put out. So just be aware of that, you guys. So I have a bag instead of a box today, and this should be a pretty quick video. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbag it for you. So here we go. Ooh, it's super cute. The colors are much more vibrant in person. So as I mentioned, I have, this is really cute. It's like, it's giving Malibu Barbie vibes. So I can't wait to show this to you guys. It's really cute. So many fun characters and just a really, really pretty scene. Like, to me, it's like spending a day at Hawaii at sunset. That's what it looks like to me. And it's just very vibrant, very pinky and purple, and I'm loving that. So real quick, the 2 styles that I have here are the Everyday Mini, which, as you guys know, I love. And if you guys want to see a packing video for the last Everyday Mini that I did, I will link it right here for you guys. I also have the Be Light here, and the Be Light is one of my favorite styles, especially recently. I have been using it a ton for Pilates class. So that's the bag I'm planning to do a review and on the body video for you guys because it's just such a great bag for that. So those are the 2 styles that I have, but I wanted to tell you real quick before I show you it. There's actually quite a few styles that this print comes in. So you have the Be Set Park Pack, which I love because that's just so great for theme parks and stuff. You also have the Coin Purse, which is super collectible, so grab one of those if you can. Usually those are given away when you go to like a mom and pop type of shop and they have a trunk show, so keep an eye out for those, you guys. They also have the Woven Strap, which is like a muted rainbow color that matches this print really well. They also have the Be Dapper, the Bestie, the Be Quick, the Everyday Mini, which I have, the Fuel Cell, the Be Right Back, and the Be Light, and the Super Bee. So that is what all is available in this print, and I would love to know down in the comments below what is on your wish list for this print. But first, let's show you guys what I've got here. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is so cute. This is gonna be my new Pilates bag for sure. I've been using my old like Tokidoki and it's been super fun, but that is such an old print now. I need something fresh. So this, you guys, is Tokidoki. How absolutely adorable is this print for summertime, you guys? And I'm gonna get it real close for you guys so you can see just how pretty these colors are. And look at this enamel tag, you guys. It matches the lining on this bag. I would put the lining color in like a grapey purple category for color, but it's not like super duper grapey, if that makes any sense to you. So that is what the print looks like. And as I mentioned, like it's just like a Hawaii scene at sunset. I love it. You have like this Hawaiian couple on the front here and like a tiki post, and it's just, it's so cute, you guys. So that's the front of the Be Light. Here is the back of the Be Light, which may give you a more complete scene. Had I had the Super Bee, which I did want, and still do, you'd get even more of the complete scene on there, but that is super cute. One of the things I really like about the Be Light that they now include, they did not used to like a long time ago, but they include these D-rings, one on each side of your bag. So if you wanted to use the woven strap with it, you can. And it just makes it a lot easier to carry around because sometimes this bag can get a little heavy on your shoulder depending on what you throw in there. But on its own, it is like super duper lightweight, like very lightweight. And one of my favorite things to do with these types of bags is to fold them up really, really tiny. And like you can roll them and you can pack them in your bag and take them to Disney with you. You can actually stick this in your diaper bag, take it to Disney with you, and if you have souvenirs or anything else that you just don't want to carry in your bag, like jackets and things like that that you tend to take off as you're at the park, you throw them in here. So it's great to have an extra bag that you can do that with. I'm looking forward to taking this to Pilates. This just holds everything perfectly, even my water bottle and everything. So that is the Be Light. Super duper cute. You notice I'm not talking about Donatella because she's just not on the front very well. Oh, she is actually. And she's just super cute. I just noticed she's doing the like hang loose sign. That is super Hawaiian. Look at that. Isn't she cute? I didn't see her all the way up there, but now I'm happy. Now I'm happy that she's on the very front. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Let's look at the inside. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, I definitely put it in the grapey purple selection for color. So what I'm gonna do, so you guys can see the inside really well, is turn this bag inside out. All right. Well, there is a look at the lining. It's really cute. You have tiki posts, you have a little margarita type of drink, a jellyfish star, a little mohawk guy riding a surfboard, and you have the monkey guy. I think his name's Max. But yeah, it's really cute. I love it. So that is the Be Light. Let's move on to the Everyday Mini. I think the last one that I showed you guys that was the Everyday Mini was from the Minnie Mouse print back in January. And I think that was the Mini Plus, the Everyday Mini Plus. And that means that it comes with a change pad. This one is just the Everyday Mini. So that does not come with a change pad. It is super duper cute in this print. If you have a little one that wants to match your bag, like if you have the Be Right Back, grab this for your kiddo and they will look super cute with you. But if you don't want to get one for your kid, definitely get one for yourself because they are just the right size. If you are out and about in Disney or other theme parks like that and you don't have kids with you, like this is the perfect size to carry your own stuff. So this is the Everyday Mini front and the back. Super cute. I'm just now looking at my print placement. I do have Donatella, but she's like hidden behind the tag. I also wanted to show you guys the hardware because I have the cutest little Donatella and she, can you guys see that? I hope you guys can see her. She's doing the hang loose sign. Super cute. Love it. And she's super detailed too. Like she's even wearing a lei and she has one over one of her ears too. It's really cute. So I love it. There's my Donatella here, hiding behind the tag. But I really love these enamel tags. They're so pretty. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside of this one as well. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, you have this back pocket back here. So if you had a little change pad that you wanted to throw in there, you could. You can also fit an iPad in there or a Kindle. It's a great place for that. You also have a small mesh bottle pocket on each side. So if you had a small water you wanted to take with you, you can. Besides that, there's no other organization on the inside. And the front pocket looks like this. So you have a nice deep pocket and a small zippered compartment back here. So it's just the right size to hold all your little things when you're out and about like that. So I love it. And once again, I would love to know what is on your list for this print, this release. This is releasing on July 9th. Here is the Be Light and the Everyday Mini Plus. Super cute. Love these so much. If you guys want to shop these with me, I would love that. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you guys. You can shop through that anytime. If you enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful in making your decision on what you want from this print, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.